Dear student, our next very important topic is distance traveled in nth second of uniformly accelerated motion. Here the one of the important thing that we need to learn is what is the meaning of this nth second first. Nth second, to understand this, let us consider a motion along OA. OA. And let us the time taken is 1 second at t1 is equal to 1 second, t2 is equal to 2 second, t2 is equal to 3 second, and 4 second and 5 second. Means the body is moving along OA and it takes total of 5 seconds while moving across this line OA. Right. Now suppose we have to find out the distance traveled in fourth second. Now what does it mean? Fourth second means here we are talking about this much distance travel. 4. Here we are not talking about 4 seconds. When we say that the distance traveled in 4 seconds, in that case we will calculate this much distance up to this. Let me name this B, OB. So distance traveled in 4 seconds is OB. But we need to find out. We need to find fourth second. So how would we calculate? If we in 4 seconds the distance will be this one. Means in that case the distance traveled in 4 second can be written as distance traveled in 4 seconds, right? Distance traveled, more specifically d4, and distance traveled in 4 seconds. Let this distance S represent the distance traveled in seconds. 4 seconds minus the distance traveled in 3 seconds. Got it? This is 4 seconds and this is 3 seconds. So if we can calculate this S4 minus S3, we can get the value of d4, and it means the 4th second distance traveled. Now coming to the main topic, let us consider u is the initial velocity of a body. U is the initial velocity of the body and a is the acceleration of the object, and Sn and Sn minus 1 are the distances in n seconds. Keep in mind here we are talking about n seconds, not the nth second, and n minus 1 seconds, right? Comparing this as n seconds means 4 seconds and 3 seconds. So Sn is the distance traveled in n seconds, Sn minus 1 is the distance traveled in n minus 1 seconds. So now if we want to find out dn will be Sn minus Sn minus 1, as I explained earlier. Now we know that the distance traveled in n seconds, as we have done earlier, is given by the equation distance traveled in t second is given by ut plus half at square. Here what we are calculating? We are calculating distance traveled in n second. Means here n denotes the time. So t will be replaced by n. So putting un plus half an square, give it number 2 and give it number 1. Right. Similarly we can write Sn minus 1 means the distance traveled in n minus 1 second. Coming to this situation, we want to find out this. So firstly we will find out Sn, S4, the distance traveled in 4 seconds, and then we find out S3, the distance traveled in Sn minus 1 second. So what we will get? We will get the distance traveled in 4th second, that is in nth second. So what we have to do? Find out Sn minus 1. So u n minus 1 plus half an minus 1 whole square, give it number 3. Now putting 2 and 3 in equation 1, so right here dn is equal to Sn. Sn is what? Un plus half an square minus Sn minus 1, so that will be un minus 1. Keep in mind this is not the subscript, this is in multiplication, like just like ut. Sn minus 1 plus half I would write here plus half an minus 1 whole square. Right. Now opening this as un plus half an square minus, if we multiply this un, this minus will become plus, plus u. Then this minus will make this as minus 1 by 2a. This is n square plus 1 plus 2n by using the formula a minus b whole square. Now again simplifying it, un plus half a n square minus un plus u minus, this would be half a n square, this is minus and this is plus, here it would be minus 2, 1 minus 2n. So minus and this is plus, it will become minus. So minus 1 by 2 a, and this is minus and this is plus, that would become 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 a into n into 2. So 2 cancel हो गया. Now what we left is un to un cancel, half a n square to half a n square cancel. So we are left with the u minus 1 by 2a and plus an, right? Okay, so what we get here, d is equal to u plus an minus a by 2, as we have solved earlier. This is u minus a by 2 plus an. So I have rewritten this here. Now taking a common from these two, this is u plus is taken common n minus 1 by 2, or we can write u plus a 2n minus 1 by 2, that is u plus a by 2 2n minus 1. This is the distance travelled in nth second. So if numerical comes of this time, we can directly put the value of time as n and use this formula to find out the distance travelled in nth second.